Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how you can make Wix website fit in any screen size. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now let's go ahead and go to Wix and sign in to our account. If you haven't already created a site, then just go ahead and click on this where you can go ahead and create a new site. I already have two sites here that is already made, so let's just go ahead and open one up. So say for example, let's choose this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click select and edit site. Now this will load up the actual dashboard itself, and then let's go ahead and go to our website editor. So let's go ahead and click on site and app right here, and then we can go ahead and click on edit site right here. Now this will load up the Wix website editor, where we can go ahead and make changes to our website. Now how do we actually make this site fit any screen? Well, for us to be able to make the Wix website fit any screen, we have to make this website responsive. So this would mean that we need to just go ahead and change the elements of our website right here, and then if you go ahead and check these out, there is the ability to go ahead and switch to mobile, and you should be able to see that this has adjusted our website to go ahead and fit this particular screen. Now how do we make sure that this is happening? Well, fortunately Wix already does this. All you need to do is to just go ahead and make changes to your website, and it will be compatible with a mobile device and also a desktop. This will then go ahead and make things responsive on any screen size that you use. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.